Hi, did you go to school today?
Yes, I did. It was a busy day.
What did you study today?
We had English, math, and science.
Oh, that's a long day.
Yes, I'm tired now.
Did you have homework?
Yes, a little. I'll do it later.
Good. Don't forget to finish it.
I won't. What about your day?
It was okay. I woke up late.
Oh no! Did you miss the bus?
Almost. I ran very fast.
Haha, lucky you. I hate running.
Same here, but I was on time.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I eat rice and vegetables. You?
I eat sandwiches and fruit.
That's healthy. Do you like fruit?
Yes, I love mangoes and bananas.
I like apples and grapes more.
Do you drink milk every day?
Yes, my mom makes me drink it.
Haha, same here. Moms are funny.
Yes, they care about us a lot.
What do you do after school?
I rest for a while, then play games.
Oh, nice. What games do you play?
I play football with my friends.
That sounds fun. I like football too.
Really?
Which team do you support?
I like Barcelona. You?
I like Real Madrid.
Haha, our teams are rivals.
Yes, but both are very good.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Sometimes I like funny shows.
I watch cartoons or news.
Cartoons are relaxing after study.
Yes, they make me happy.
Do you read books at night?
Sometimes when I can't sleep.
That's good. Reading is a nice habit.
Yes, it helps me sleep faster.
What time do you sleep?
Around 10 o'clock. You?
I sleep at 11, sometimes later.
Oh, that's a bit late.
Yes, I always check my phone.
Haha, me too. It's hard to stop.
We should sleep early tonight.
Yes, good idea. We have class tomorrow.
Okay, see you in school.
See you. Have a nice evening.